All right, Omar Oxilly, big up, massive respect. 3 points on the board again. How you evaluate the team performance?
Well, I think it was a spirited performance today. We came with a game plan basically just to keep our composure. We know that this team would have been a hard pressing team. So our aim was just basically just to keep possession of the football, keep our tempo. We know that this team would be running at us for the 90 minutes. So we had to just manage this game today. We came into this game expecting a hard-fought game. We didn't take this team lightly, but we knew that we had the firepower to come up with the 3 points today. And congrats to our team and good try to our opponents.
In the first half, it was clearly evident that McGrath came up with a bit more physicality than the norm. But what happened in the second half where you guys kind of boiled down and McGrath kind of took a bit more control of the game? What really happened in the second half?
But it was basically a game of 2 halves. In the first half, we came out running harder at them. But in the second half, after we have gotten that 2 goals cushion, we kind of just made some changes. We said they were very physical. So we wanted to have some players to come on the field who could actually manage the game and help us keep that position of the football. So it was basically us just being tactical in that game.
All right, well done, coach, and congrats. See you guys again next time.
Thank you very much.